Beneath the surface, an intricate web sprawls unseen, connecting life in remarkable ways. These vast underground networks act as nature's engineers, anchoring the soil and preventing erosion. But their true brilliance lies in their ability to share resources, like water and nutrients, across great distances. When drought strikes or storms rage, these connections buffer the shocks, helping entire communities endure. By weaving together diverse species, these silent architects create a foundation so resilient that the stability of forests, grasslands, and even deserts depends on their hidden strength.